Hello, students. How are you today? My name is Ariel, and I'm an English teacher here at Instituto Kailua. And today I'll be your teacher. And our topic today, it's very easy, very simple, okay? Cardinal numbers, 0 to 99, and age. But first, I said it's very easy, but what is cardinal number? Do you know? Let's check. These are cardinal numbers, okay? So when do we use cardinal numbers? So to talk about quantity, price, okay, age, and numbers, telephone numbers. For example, if you want to say your number to someone, you use the cardinal numbers, okay? And here we have some examples of these numbers. If you memorize the first part, the 0 until 9, it's going to be very easy for you, I think. Okay? Let's see. The first one, 0. 0 here has two names, has two possibilities, 0 and O. Weird, do you think? But it's this way. So if you are talking about your phone number, for example, 109246003, okay? It's not necessary to tell 0, all right? It's easier to say O, okay? But you can use both. It's up to you. We have 1. Pay attention to the pronunciation. 1, okay? 2. 2. It's not true. No. 2, okay? 3. 3. Pay attention to your tongue, okay? Into your teeth, all right? 3. 3, okay? It's not 3. No, 3, it's another thing, okay? 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. Okay, so if you memorize this part here, 0 to 9, you're gonna know all the numbers, basically, okay? Let's move to 10. 10, okay? Now, they are a little bit different, okay? Because we have 11. If you watch Stranger Things, you already know this number, 11, okay? 11. 12, 12, 13, 13. Pay attention to the end, okay? 13, not 30, no, 13. 14, remember 4, the number 4 here? Yes, it's the same, 14, okay? 15, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20. Okay. Now, if we move, how can I say 21? Now, it's important to memorize the first part of the cardinal numbers, okay? So, 21, 22. So you repeat all the first part here, okay? So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29, okay? Now let's move to 30. 30. can you remember that I said about the 13? It's because sometimes you can pronounce wrong and you say the incorrect number, okay? So if we are talking about the 13, focus on the teen. Don't forget the teen, the sound, okay? So 30, 31, 32, 33, okay? 34, 35, 36, right? Moving to 40, it's the same. 41, 42, 43, okay? 49. We have 50, the same. Now you're gonna always repeat, okay? 50, 51, 54, 55, okay? 60, the same. 66, for example, here. 62, 67, 70. We have here 77, 77, 78, 79, 80, 88, 89, 82, okay? And the last one, 90, because we are gonna study all the numbers, of course, but now just until 99, okay? 99, right? 91, 92, 93, 94, and you repeat the numbers, all right? So just to remember, it's important to focus to memorize the order here about the numbers 0 to 9, okay? And then it's a little bit different because we have 11, 12, 13, 14, and then repeat the teen at the end, okay? After this, we have 20. And can you see, we have 20, we have 30, 40, ending with Y, okay? So this is an important characteristic, all right? Let's move. We have some exercises here. Write down the numbers. I'll give you some time to do it. Stop the video, try to do it, and then we correct, okay? But let's see here the first one. Have you done? Yes? Perfect. Let's correct. So write down the numbers. Letter A. What is this number? Do you remember? Oh my God, I forgot. Okay, we're gonna move. We're gonna go back to the first part, okay? Let's see if you don't remember. 30, right? It's the 30. It's right here. 30. So this is the first part of the name, right? 30. So you have to write here 30. And the second part, it's what? It's 6. No, it's not. It's 4. What do you think it's the second part? Very good. It's 7. Very good. So you write 37. Okay, 37. Very good. Now, let's move to the other one. This one, it's what? What is the number here? Oh, I forgot. Let's remember. It's the number 4. So it's 40. Yes, 40. And what is the second number? 1. So the number is 41. All right? Let's write here. Oh, sorry. 41. All right? 41. Next one. What is the first number? 5. That's it. 5. So is, what is the number? 50. 50. And the second number is the number 9, right? So it's 59. Okay? Let's write here. 59. Okay? Letter D. 92. Right? 92. So let's write 92. Okay, perfect. Letter E. What is the first number here? 7. So it's 75. Now this one, what is the first number here? It's 5. No. It's 2. No. 8. 8. Okay? So how can I write this one? Here. 84. Okay? Oh my God, I forgot the right here. 92, okay? And 70. Oh, it's here. And 75. So here it's 84. Okay? 4. It's already here. And the last one. What is the first number here? 6, right? So how can I write this number? 68, right? 68. Okay? Problems here? If you have any questions about this topic, you just ask at the Google Classroom, okay? Don't forget, you can use Google Classroom. Let's move. Now you already know the numbers, okay? Now you know all the numbers, basically. And now we're gonna learn how to say the age, okay? When we wanna ask about an age, we use the question, how old are you? How old is she? Okay? How old? And to answer to this question, you answer, I am ta-na-na. Okay? And you say the age. I am 12. I am 60. Okay? 60 years old. All right? You don't answer as I have. No, it's not I have. It's I am. Okay? I am. All right? So let's see here. The question word for age is how old? And the answer for a specific age, we use the number plus years old. So how old are you? And the answer, I'm 54 years old. Okay? Problems here? So here we have a PS. For babies, we can use the number plus day, month, old. So my baby is 4 months old. Okay? You can use month because it's a baby, all right? For adults, it's not possible. So here we have another possibility to say about ages, okay? If you are a mysterious person, you don't want to say exactly your age, you can use these generic ideas here, okay? So for example, if you are 13 until 19, you can use in one's teens. Can you see? You are not saying exactly your word, your age. You are saying that you are between these numbers here, but you are not saying your age, all right? We have another possibility in one's 20s. So it's 20 until 29 years old. In one's 30s, okay? It's 30 until 39 years old. In one's 40s, so 40 and 49 years old. In one's 50s, 50 until 59 years old. In one's 60s, so it's 60 until 69. In one's 70s, it's 70 until 79, okay? In one's 80s, it's 80 until 89, all right? So this possibility is just if you don't want to say your age, okay? Exactly your age. You just say a generic idea, okay? Remember, if you have questions, you ask. Where? Google Classroom. Perfect. And here, you can change ones. Can you see? We have ones here. In ones, 20s. For a possessive. Do you remember the possessives? I hope so, because we have a possessive adjective here. So you can change ones to I am in my 20s. Okay? You can change by a possessive adjective, as here in the example. So, oh, how old are you? I am in my 30s. Okay? Because you're mysterious, right? Or if you want to, if you don't want to say your age, but you want to give a specific idea, okay, a tip, all right? You can use early, mid, or late. So for example, I am in my early 20s, okay? I am my early 20s. So you are 20 until 23, all right? I am in my mid 20s. So you are 24 until 26, all right, years old. I am in my late 20s. So you are 27 till 29 years old. Okay? You are not saying your age exactly, but you are giving a specific idea. Okay? So if you have questions, Google Classroom, don't forget. And I will give you a tip of my age, for example. I am in my mid-20s. Okay? How old do you think I am? How old? Any ideas? My students say I'm 16, but I'm not. Okay? I'm older than this. I'm not 16. If I am in my mid-20s, I can be 24, 25, or 26. How old do you think I am? Let's do the exercise. Let's change the topic. So you have to complete the sentences using a more generic age. Okay? Here we have an example. Mary is in her late teens. Okay? Remember, we have here a lot of sentences that you can help you in this exercise. Okay? So think. I will give you some minutes to do it, and then we correct. Okay? Let's correct. Have you done? Let's see. Letter A. Susan is in her. So the number here, it's what? What is the number? I forgot. Very good. It's 36. Okay? 36. Oh my God, I don't know. I don't know. What can I say here? What do you think? Susan is in her. Oh, teacher, I forgot. Go back. Here. Remember? Here. So you can use once, remember? Or here in the situation is her, okay? Because we're talking about Susan. So she is in her what? She is 36, sorry. So what do you think? It's this one here, okay? So she is in her 30s, okay? 30s. 30s. Or if you want to be more specific, right? Because here in the example, we have in her late teens, right? So, do you think Susan is in her early 30s, mid 30s, or late 30s? That's it. She's in her mid 30s, okay? Mid 30s, right? And John, what do you think? John, he is 27. He is in his late 20s, right? Paul and Mary are in their, what is the age here? 41 and 42. What do you think? It's in the early, mid, or late? Very good. Early, okay? Early 40s. Perfect. You are amazing. D. Miss Williams is in her, the age here. What is this number? Very good. 89. So she's almost 90, right? So she's in her late 80s. Remember, late because she is 89, right? Mr. Patterson is in his, and the number here is 64. What do you think, 64? That's it. He is in his mid 60s. All right? And it's a personal answer. I'm going to answer as my age, okay? I am 25, okay? So I am in my early 20s, mid 20s, or late 20s? Mid 20s, okay? Perfect. Do you have questions here? It's okay. Don't forget, questions, Google Classroom, all right? Let's move to exercise number 4, okay? You have some audios to listen right now, okay? You can listen as many times you want, but you have to pay attention to what the exercise is asking you to do. So let's see. Letter A, you have to write down the people's names and pay attention to the spelling. What is the spelling? Do you remember? My name is Ariel. How can I spell my name? Do you know? I will spell my name. A-R-I-E-L. This is how I spell my name, okay? This is the spelling. So remember, because you're going to listen to people saying their names and you have to pay attention to the spelling, all right? Letter B, you have to say the ages, to write down the ages in the correct order, okay? You have to pay attention a lot. And check the place where the people are from, okay? So I'll give you some time to listen carefully, okay? The audio A, B, and C, and try to do the exercises, okay? And then we correct. Let's correct. Let's go. Write down the people's names and pay attention to the spelling. So it's the audio A. So tell me, what is the first name that is mentioned in the audio? Do you know? You remember? That's it. Laura. Laura. And how is that spelled? How can we spell Laura? Do you know? let's write here. Laura, right? It's the first name mentioned, okay? Perfect. The second one, what is the name? That's it. Shelly, okay? Shelly. And how can we spell this name, Shelly? Do you know? Very good. Let's write here. Shelly, it's S-H-E. And now we have double L. So L, another L, and I. Okay? Shelly. Right? The other name. What is the third name? Do you remember? The third name? That's it. Is Joe. Joe. And how do we spell Joe? That's it. J-O-E. Joe. Okay? And what is the next name? We have 5 names, all right? What is the next one after Joe? Very good. Beth. Beth. Okay, let's write here. How do we spell Beth? B E T H. Very good. You are amazing. And the last one, the last name. Very good. Is Sarah. Sarah. And how can we spell Sarah? How is that spelled? Very good. Let's write here. You say, and I write S-A-R-A-H. Okay? So the names here are Laura, Shelly, Beth, and Sarah. Okay? And Joe. Oh my God, I forgot about Joe. So it's Laura, Shelly, Joe, Beth, and Sarah. 5 names. Okay? Let's move to the next one. Now, say the ages in the correct order. Okay? I think I didn't. I forgot to write Joe. Am I crazy? Joe. Okay? It's here. So let's say the ages in the correct order. Okay? So this is the audio B. All right? So what is the first age? Very good. 34. Okay? 34. So the age is 34. I will write here because you can't forget. Okay? 34. All right? The first age. The other one, the next one, what is the age? Do you remember? Very good. 49. All right? 49. You write here, 49. 49. Okay? The next one. Very good. It's my age. 25. Right? So let's write here, 25. 25. 25. Easy, right? What do you think? The other one is, pay attention, because this person 4 says 2 ages, okay? The person is 20, but almost 21, all right? But it's 20, almost 21. So let's write here. 20, okay? 20. And the last one is 30. Perfect. 30, okay? 30. So I'm writing here because you can't forget. Perfect. So the ages are 34, 49, 25, 20, almost 21, and 30. All right? If you have questions about letter A and B, don't forget to ask at Google Classroom, all right? Letter C, check the place where the people are from. So it's the last one, the last audio, okay? Let's see here. Have you listened to this audio C? If you don't, listen right now and then we correct, all right? Okay, let's correct. So, you have to check the place where the people are from. So we have a lot of places here, right? So, the person 1, where are this person from? Very good. Here, Mongolia, okay? It's the answer. So, I'm gonna check here. Okay? Perfect. The person 2, what is the place? Very good. Columbus, Ohio, okay? Now the person specifies the city, right? Columbus, Ohio, right? So it's right here. Next one, the third person, person 3. Where are this person from? Very good. San Francisco, okay? So you check here, San Francisco, okay? Oh my God. Here. Perfect. And the person 4. The person 4 says 2 different places, all right? Pay attention. The person says, I was born on the East Coast, outside Washington, D.C., but now I live in Santa Monica, okay? Pay attention, because we are asking here where the people are from, okay? Not where the person lives right now. So the answer is Washington, D.C., okay? So you check Washington, D.C. here, right? Just right here. And the last one, where are you from? Now this person 5, it's basically the same, because the person says about 2 different places, okay? I was born in Taiwan, grew up in Dallas, Texas. Now I'm here for college, okay? So where this person are from? Taiwan. Very good. Okay, problems? So, here. Questions? No, right, it was easy, I think. But if you have questions, you just ask Google Classroom. Perfect? Okay, read the text and answer the questions. So I'll give you some time to read the text and do this activity, okay? And then we correct. Okay? Have you read the text? So let's correct. Hi, my name is Paula Zamora Puentes. I am an English teacher from Rome, Italy. I am 28 years old. I'm a Libra. Nice to meet you. So, what's her name? What's her name? Very good. Paula Zamora Puentes. Okay? Very good. So her name is Paula Zamora Puentes. B, what's her occupation? Pay attention to the text, okay? What's her occupation? English teacher from home, Italy. Oh, sorry. So just English teacher. She is an English teacher. Okay? English teacher. Now, where is she from? From Rome, Italy, right? So you have just to check the text, okay? Just to check the text. Rome, Italy, okay? And how old is she? Pay attention to the text. I am 28 years old. So how old is she? 28. Okay? Problems here? Now, let's move to exercise number 6. It's the last one, okay? Introduce yourself using greetings, name, age, occupation, and origin, okay? So, let's see here. I will use my, based on me, okay? On myself, all right? You can use your own answer. Perfect? What do you remember about greetings? Hi, it's a greeting, okay? How are you? Nice to meet you, okay? It's a way to introduce yourself, all right? So why you use my greetings? Think. I'll give you some minutes to think about yours, and then we correct. Perfect? Let's correct. So I will introduce myself because you don't know me, right? So, hello, I will write here, okay? Hello. What's up? What's up? It's the same as how are you, remember? My name is Ariel Matos. Oh my God, I forgot the A. My age. You already know my age. How old am I? Very good. I am 25 years old. Okay. What is my occupation? What am I doing right now? I'm teaching. So I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. Okay. My origin. I'm from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Okay. Janeiro, Brazil. Okay? So, this is about myself, my information. All right? You can adapt to yours. Okay? Questions here? Problems? Remember, if you have any questions, you just ask at Google Classroom. We are here to help you. So, this was our class today. Thank you, and I see you soon. Okay? Bye-bye.